Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing for you the Eagle H7 LED Headlight kit or bulbs. So I decided to get these because they're £25 with the down in price on £21, but I paid £1 for it because I got a voucher from Amazon for it, so I paid £1 for these, so it's very good value for me. Solely £24 off basically, but at the moment it's on deal for £21, £21.99 I think, which is decent deal. So these are very bright LED lights. They're like my high beams, if you've not seen the high beam ones. So I'm going to put these in my MK6 Golf. These don't come with adapters, and you do need adapters for these, so I had to buy them separate. Most of the headlight companies give you adapters, but these lot didn't. I don't know why. So that's separate. I had to buy that £3.99 I think. It's just metal clips to help it hold in place. Okay, so this is the case. Got the massive eagle there, 300% brightness increase, premium. Okay, look at that guys, H7, nothing else there. Alright guys, let me go ahead and open this. It's just held on by sticker, I think. Should be able to just peel that off. Oh, this very stuck on there. I'm gonna have to cut it, I think, but I have nothing to cut it with. One second guys. Alright guys, we're going to use a fork to cut it. Let's see if it works. I'm going to have to pause the video and do it, but yeah, I had this in my pocket, so I thought, why not, let me try it out. Oh hey, it actually worked. I nearly broke it, bent the shit out of it, but it actually worked. Alright, let's go ahead. Oh, also what happened to my last light was I'll make a video on that as well, so it'll either be before this video or after this video. Just show you what happened to my last light. So this is the new headlights. Let's go ahead and open it. So it comes in a nice packaging to stop it from moving about and getting damaged. Okay, so it's this way. Be very careful with that. Yep, there you go. Product manual, nothing else in there. So these guys had the highest reviews on Amazon at the time of me purchasing, so that's why I got it. Most highest reviews. Wow, that's a lot of product stuff. Okay, so this is a CSP chip, 9 to 16 volts. This apparently has a CAN bus in it built in, so hopefully it won't give an error, but most of them tend to. As long as it doesn't flicker, I'm not bothered about having an error. So lifespan is over 30,000 hours. Material is aluminium, IP68. Okay, so this you can actually adjust as well on this, so you can adjust it for the beam to be more precise, I guess, whatever you want to call it. So this is our installation guide. So fix the adapter, so you need the adapter like I was on about. There's your adapter guys, that's what you need to do. I'm going to make a video on this anyway, so how to use it, and this is different languages now. And you got the email if you need to email them stuff. You got the emails on there if you need help. Alright guys, so these are the bulbs itself. Oh, these are quite warm. Oh, they're quite thin actually, they're quite small. So I don't think there will be an issue with the lighting, like fitting in and stuff. So there's the fan. This is the wire. No power, try reverse to plug over. So if it doesn't work one way, plug in the other way, because it is LED, that's how it works. Alright, so there's the bulb. As you can see, it's simple tiny bulb guys. That's the only thing that's going to light up on both sides. So imagine how much power this must give out. So this spins around so you can focus it and stuff. I don't know how I'm going to show you with one hand. Oh, it's a bit lubed up, like it's a bit oily. I think they've made it oily so it fits in better. Right, so it's got like a nice bronze color, which is pretty cool. I like that. And this is 6K, so it's going to be pure white. So that's really nice. And the cable, it's like braided and stuff. It looks pretty cool. I like it. So hopefully these ones will last. The last one was fanless, so this one has a fan. So the last one was fanless, probably why it died, but only one died, so I'm guessing it was just been faulty. So anyways, I switched it over to these because these were more higher power output. Because it has a fan, it can do more higher power output. The last one isn't, so this is the new lights. We'll see how much more powerful they are. H7, alright guys. The other bulb is the exact same. And yeah, so these are mainly used on like Volkswagens. Astra uses it as well on for the high beams, not high beam, main beam I think, something like that. So we'll probably put some in the Astra as well sometime soon, so look out for that video as well. I'm going to put it in my Golf anyway. I'll make a video on that. and I'll show you how they look on the Golf. So thank you guys for watching. If you want to see how they look on how the performance stuff, watch out for another video. It'll come out on that, because at the moment I need to install them, make sure it all fits and stuff. Make sure you buy some adapters, because this doesn't come with it. You just type in H7 adapter, LED adapter, and it comes up with that. Just get the cheapest ones or whatever, good review ones. Make sure they're sturdy, because these need to be on there. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.